let's do some graph sketching examples. It says f is increasing and concave up on negative infinity to 3. So, all right, hold on a second. Let me sketch a number line. And here is 3. So to the left of 3, we're going up and we're concave up. So take a look. Look at this hot pink graph, okay? The U shape, okay, this U shape is the concave up graph, but only half of it is increasing, right? So from this lowest point to the right side, only the half of this mouth is increasing, right? So that is what we want to sketch to the left of 3. Okay, so look, I'm going to sketch something like this to the left of 3. A U shape going up. Uh-oh. You know what I mean? Like a U shape going up, the half of a U. You know, I have a better idea. Let me just copy this. And I'll just make it super big. All right, that looks good. Okay, so a U-shaped graph going up from left to right. And then now it says what? F is increasing again, but this time concave down on 3 to infinity. So I'm looking at the concave down graph this time, but only half of this frowny mouth is increasing, right? So look, if that is the middle, only this part of the graph is increasing, right? Only that much of the graph is increasing. So that's what I want to copy for the right side of 3. So I'll copy this. And I'll place this over here. And ta-da, we have a graph now. So let me move this down a little bit. So this graph is increasing constantly, right? This graph is going up from left to right everywhere. But the concavity changes at 3. The pink part is definitely concave up. And this blue part is concave down. But this graph is definitely increasing everywhere like it said. So that's the graph for part A. Let's look at another one. Let's do this one. G is concave down at 1,6. Now, when they said at 1,6, they're talking about a point. This is a point. So what I will do is I will sketch XY axis. Now plot 1,6. Okay. 1 to the right and up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this part of the graph will be concave down. All right, let's go review the picture for concave down. What does it look like? Concave down looks like this. So upside down, okay? So I'll come down here and I'll place a concave down, upside down graph right there. Okay, so definitely concave down, right? All right, now what else? It says concave up at 5, -2. So let's go plot 5, -2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -2. So I have to go down 2, -1, -2. So here's a point, 5, -2. And this one was 1,6. Sorry, I need to do this. Now I do want to plot a graph, a concave up graph down here. Okay, so let's see. What does concave up look like? Concave up is a regular U-shaped graph like this. Okay, so I'll copy that on this point. This. Okay, that's good. Now what else? They said it has an inflection point at 3, 2. So I'll plot the point. I'll plot the inflection point at 3, 2. So I have to go 3 to the right, up 2, and here is going to be the inflection point. So this is our POI, point of inflection. But this will be where the concavity changes. So to the left of it, this will be concave down. So I will sketch a graph that is concave down to that green point. Okay, like this. And to the left of this graph, I can just say that this continues, this concave down pattern continues. Okay. But as we hit that green point of inflection, we're going to turn concave up. It becomes a U shape. Oops. So let me decline this. Okay. And then this concave up, this U pattern will continue to the right of it. So we'll just put an arrow tip there. So that's it. So this is a graph that was, the blue part is concave down. And the pink part is concave up. And in the middle of those, we had this point of inflection where the concavity changed from down to up. So that's it for this page. We looked at 2 examples of sketching graphs, and they were talking about increasing, concave up or down, and points of inflection. And I think you have some MyLab homework that are similar to these on your homework this week. Okay?